Chad.
Oh, yeah, guess what he said?
What?
What'd you just say?
Oh, you know English?
Oh my God! Come on, say it again. Say it again.
Calm down.
Oh my God! What else? What else?
You know what else? You go first. You eat it first.
You go first.
You eat it first.
So you don't even sizzle it a little bit. It's just straight roll, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Straight roll.
I feel you.
Because it's spicy.
It's very spicy, huh? Be careful.
You know, she's a veg. For you, how will you have it?
How you gonna feed it in your mouth? And you gonna take it. Huh? Well, me next. How it taste? It tastes good?
Yeah.
I'm watch him.
It's very spicy, isn't it?
ለስፒች ሾው እኮ ብዙ ነገር የምታሳየዋል። አሁን አብሮ የነበረው የሚያስጎበኘው ልጅ አላቤ በጣም ተመችቶኛል። ረዘም ያለው ስለ አድዋ ምናምን ያስረዳው እንደዚህ አይነት ያን ብቻ ሰጠው እኮ እያንዳንዱ በተረጋጋ መንፈስ አገሪቷን ማዞር ይቻላል። ዓለምን ማስደመም ይቻላል። ምንድነው ያረጉ ስጋ ለሞን የኛ አባቶች ስጋ እንዲያርገው በልተው ያውቃሉ? እንዳሞራ በየትኛው ባህል ነው የቁርጥ ስጋ ዓለም እንዲስቅብን እያንዘላዘልክ እንደዚህ አርገን እንዳሞራ አንተ አሞራ ይብላና እንደዚህ አርገ ጥርሱን ያዝብለ እዚህ እንዲህ አይነት የስጋ አበላል ኢትዮጵያኖች ኦሮሞ ይበላል፣ አማራ ይበላል፣ እንደውነቱ ትግሬ ይበላል፣ ጉራጌ ይበላል። እኔ በዘር አልከፋፍልም። ኢትዮጵያ is one nation. I don't care. I love my people ኢትዮጵያ። ኢትዮጵያዊ ለመሆኑ ጥሬ ስጋ ይወዳል። እንደዚህ አርጎ ይበላል ወይ? ይሄ እነተሙ ግሩፕ ነው እንደዚህ ሲያርግ ያየሁት። That's bullshit. Shame on you guys. ስጋ እንደዚህ ይበላል ወይ? ዓለም ሲያኳ 48 50 ሚሊዮን ሰው የሚከተለው ሰው ያን ፖስት ሲያደርግ ምንድነው የሚታየው? ቲክታክ እኮ is viral video. ዋስ ጎኖን መብላቱ ጥሩ ነው። እንዲህ በሰው እጅ ተይዞ እንዲያርጉ እንዲየቆረጥክ ምን ማለት ነው? ይሄ ታላቁን የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብ ማዋረድ ነው። is not our culture guys.
My name, by the way.
Yeah, what is your name?
Hassan.
Hassan?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is from the tourism minister, and there's a leather jacket here. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You can wear it whenever.
Thank you so much.
See you.
See, wait, how old are you? Why you laughing, bro? Like, bro, what's funny, bro? All I did was ask a question, bro. What is he laughing at? You speak Ethiopian?
Of course.
Ask him why he laughing.
No.
Like you made it?
No, I handpicked it. I was like, this is the one for now.
All right, okay, I'm gonna try. What is? This is kind of tough. Why this kind of tough though?
I told you all it was tough.
Why this kind of tough though, chat? Hold that for me, big bro. All right, bet.
Stop. Perfect. See? I told you.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Hey, wait, I look kind of good though, chat. Wait, why this kind of tough though? This leather jacket kind of sick. It is kind of tough, ain't it though? Hold on, I can.
It's very good.
Bro, he pissing me off. No. He didn't even bring no women to me. I know. Oh, she right behind. He's not even helping me out. Bro, he's Ethiopian. Bro, he's Ethiopian. I know. He's not even helping me out. I know. Bro, you are Ethiopian. He don't even speak. He's not even helping me. He don't even understand English. It's fine. You gotta help me out, bro.
You should
እኔ እንዲለኝ ያለም ቆንጆ ነኝ ምናምን አንድ ኦሮሞ ሲያቀቁም እስኪ ልንገርሽ የጎጃም ባላንቴና ቢያይ በጥፊ 3 ጊዜ ዘርግቶሽ እሷ ጋር ነው የሚሄደው። እየነገርኩሽ ነው። አሁን ሴት አምጣች ከጎን የአማራ ሴት ቢያይ ስፒድ አይሄድም፣ ዜግነቱን ይቀይራል። ኦሃዮ ምን ይሰራለታል? እዚያው ሆኖ ላይ የሚሰራ የጎጃም ባላንቴና ስላለኝ ወሎዬን ቢያይ ምን ልታረጉ? የወሎ ቺክ ቢያይ ስፒድ አይሄድም። ጨርሻለሁ ነው ግን አሁን አንድ ኦሮሞ እንዲህ እያለ አይ ስታምር ደግሞ ኦሮሞ እናንተ ዘረኛቱን ኦሮሞች ከታች ኮሜንታቸው ወይ ኦሮሞ እኮ ኢዝ ፕራውድ እናደርግበታለን ምናምን እነዚህ እንደ ኢትዮጵያዊ ማለት ጉዳይ
calendar.
What?
Yeah, this is a very unique country.
2018?
2018.
Nah, you trolling.
No.
It's 2026.
No.
Wait, hold on. So Fortnite just came out. So Ronaldo is still in Real Madrid. Chat. Everything is in the past here.
Fazika.
Oui.
Huh, Fazika?
Nice to see you.
Huh? It's great to see you, Fazika. Huh? Fazika. I wanna go where Fazika is going.
Okay, speak.
He loves you so much, man. He's been looking up to you for years, man. People have been making fun of him for doing your things. This guy is free. He's fire. He's got the dog in him, man. Can you give him a chance, bro? He can be international. I believe in him, man. He's the biggest, the greatest, the latest, the illest, the fire.
I really appreciate you representing me in Ethiopia, bro. Cause look, I don't know why. Bro, who your dad?